It's a 2015 Ford Focus. A dynamic design and interior craftsmanship combine, bringing you a perfect balance of great looks, efficiency, and performance. It attracts a lot of attention, both when it's parked and when you're behind the wheel. The miles are made safe with its electronic stability control, advanced track, safety canopy side curtain airbags, and Ford's personal safety system. All the while, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, a backup camera, and Sync with My Ford voice activation make it easy.
The backup camera gives you a clear picture of what's behind you. Bluetooth wireless technology keeps you in command and in touch.
Respond to the mundane with this exciting Focus. It's ready for a test drive.
For exceptional customer service and a large lineup of quality vehicles, come to 5 Star Ford Louisville. We're conveniently located at the I-35 East and Valley Ridge Exit 453 in Louisville.